Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. I will put about b equals to this one and q equals to this one. So we have the x, that means we need to do first the derivative of b with respect to y. So we just have only this one. So first the derivative of y, we have number 1, so we have e to the power of sy. Later that we do first the derivative of e to the power of sy, so we have se to the power of sy. So we have sye to the power of sy. So this is about the product rule of the derivative. Now about this one, that is about x, because we have dy. First the derivative of x, we have number 1, so we have e to the power of sy. Later that we do first the derivative of e to the power of sy, so we have ye to the power of sy. So we have sye to the power of sy, and we can see that this one and this one, they are the same. So that is about exact. Now we need to set up about the function fsy equals to the integration. So I will select about this one plus xy. So the integration of this one, we have e to the power of sy. The integration of 2x, we have s squared, and negative number 1, that is about negative s. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides with respect to y. So this one, we have se to the power of sy. This one we don't have y, so you got 0. And we know that this one equals to this one. And now we simplify this one for the both sides in here. Now we need to integral for the both sides. This one we have negative y squared, number 1, that is about y, and I will put about c. Now we go back in here. So the integration of this one, we have 3xy. So 3xy equals to this one. And we know that this one equals to fxy. fxy equals to c, and now we can simplify like this. This is the end. Thank you for watching.